Okay, it's a little windy today, but still gonna give it a shot. Whoa. It might be a little too windy. Let's see. The throttle ahead. Turn it around, watch what happens. Whoa! Crazy. We got a little ocean wind today to contend with. Oh boy. Two directions. Pushing it backwards and towards the ocean. Alright, I think I'm gonna maybe bring it in a little early. When you fly it into the wind like that, it probably causes a lot of wear on the motors. So, in the interest of longevity, I think we'll cut this flight short. But it's one of the reasons why I like these cheap quadcopters, even if you do fly the big expensive models. These are good just to test out the wind before you send out something too pricey. Give you a little feel for it. Oh, it's pushing it up now. Come on back, come on back. It's the wind pushing it back to me. Okay. I think we'll ground all remaining flights for the rest of today. Maybe better luck tomorrow. RC Beach Flyer here. Have a good morning, everyone.